Bash,
Yeah.
asa ka na napalit pen?
Ha?
Palit ka na
Ano
pen?
naman eh, pag ano, I'm
So,
just gonna
kauban
use
na.
my, this is a tablet.
I know.
Wait,
Damo magstalas ka mo.
TikTok shop. Daan lang eh. That is,
Daan na.
let me show you the box.
Oh my God, you don't box.
I have an iPad here. I have an iPad. Yeah. Wow, that's
Imo mama na kayo.
it's still a little.
Like, mama?
Oh.
Ba? Daan pa to. Nika.
And my phone and a tablet.
I know.
I left my
Like, what you're recording with? Of course. No, not you.
Let me draw. Great. Oh no.
See, but it's cool. No, I want to. Oh my gosh. That is ding dong. Burning. Para lang sa'yo. Bukuin ko. Sa'yo. Ang giling. Para lang sa'yo. Giling ko. Giling ko. Papa. Lala. Not it.
It's Teacher Christian's account, Aisha. Hurry now. I'm following it. You friend. It's Teacher Christine.
Teacher Christian Dua.
It's Teacher Christine.
Kaasa ba?
Wait, let me just see that.
Oh my gosh, Ayesha, where did you get that? Wait, sister. What the heck? Wait, did you Christian house? Wait. I think it's copy Teacher Christine. I'm there. picture. Mga videos nila, oy. I mean the video, but I'm crying. Bro, if the teachers have account, wait, do you follow them? Wait, you follow them? You follow the teachers?
From the creators of Bloons Universe, Bloons TD5. In this fast-paced survival adventure, you'll move your hero across an ever-expanding map with simple one-stick controls. While your a barrage of attacks.
I changed my name.
Bloons Blitz, available now.
It's me. Wala si Teacher Rhea dira. The video. Balik-balik pa yung mga video, guys. Wow. Guys, ako i-search si Teacher Christian.
My mom. Now I'm gonna take my revenge. First, I'll let these little animals collect some meat. Now it's your turn, dog.
Palad ba ayo sa balik? Is me, Manong. Grind struggling. Nah, I'm actually gonna follow him. Oh, the teacher just joined. All of the teachers. Teacher Christian. Wait, I mean, go back to Teacher Christian. Why? See his post. It's all the same. Kay Teacher Christian, kita na ka. Balik-balik lang kay Teacher Christian, oy. Oh, nakakita na ako. Balik-balik. What if Teacher Nicole has an account? With Teacher Nicole is Jordan. Yeah, no. Ako lang kita ng mga friends with Teacher Christian. No. Damog account si Kuan Kuya Rigel. Bitaw. Rigel Love Swash, Rigel 113. Unya. Tapos ang kaning iyang mama. Na TikTok account. O bitaw. Let me just continue by drawing. He has a lot of friends.
I'm gonna try and do the logo trend.
I'm gonna do the logo.
What?
Logo trend?
Yeah, I'm gonna try do it.
No, don't try that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna post it.
No. Your name is right here. Sebastian. Yes, right there. Baste.
Where?
Right
It's
there.
on the comments now. I commented there. I commented.
The more siya mga friends with si father. Like father
Itaas
ko
sa mga
an.
itaas mga video. Kay nag-comment ko. I-follow ko.
Okay.
It's a creeper. Find
Oh my gosh.
Find one of the videos I caught on one of the videos.
Mag-klase pa ka, Cher. Awa, ilang i-comment.
Oh, bitaw. Continue. Is it on one of the comments? Oh wait, actually I didn't comment. Look, I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna comment.
Teacher maybe ay. Awa yung comment. Teacher maybe ay. Sus, amo dito. Gosh, awa gosh. Nag-comment og si teacher maybe ay.
Ito man, nakabot ng Elala.
Dili, James Makaemon. Ang Elana ay Wee. Lagay niyo sa ay, kalagi kayo. If you miss the train, I'm on. That I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles.
100 miles. 100
Wow. Hello guys, may TikTok si Ella. Guys, damog account sila kuan, mga grade 6. I found a picture of this account. Just _Cheska.
Yeah, Fred nami na Ate Cheska. Katong Elala kay si Ate Micaela man ko si Elala.
Kabalo man ko, giingnan man ko niya. Dara, oh, it's me, Mika. Elala. Hala, mo ang profile ni Ate Micaela. Rainbow.
Rainbow
Wait, where's Baste?
PSP.
Bito! Rainbow mo pala kong profile.
Bye-bye guys. I'm actually gonna replace it soon.
Bye.
Gap, I'm gonna comment on Teacher Christian's video.
Wala kami comment.
I'm gonna cut it in the middle video.
Ay, okay. This one. Hi, Jer. Bash, nagkita ka sa kong username, Bash. It's me, Gabriel Alian.
Comment.
Unsa man naman